welcome back to my channel. It's Yale, and in today's video I am back with another headband wig. Y'all know this is my new favorite thing. So this one is with Eayon hair or Eayon hair, not too sure how to pronounce it, but I am collaborating with them on this headband wig, and this one is another curly texture, so I'm very excited. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So right away, love the packaging. It's like a pink marble. If you guys know me, I love marbles so much. So yeah, I really love the packaging right away. So let's just get into it. So they did include some headbands with it, which I really like. So if you guys didn't know, with headband wigs, the headband elastic is already attached to the wig, and it's basically like a half wig, and then you can put any headband over it. So they did include a nice pretty teal headband, this floral looking headband, and then this one is really cute. It's like a pink with gold, and it's kind of wide, so I like that. And then of course a wig cap, but I already have a wig cap on, and I kind of prep my hair. I like to leave a little bit of my real hair out when I wear these, but you don't have to leave any hair out at all if you don't want to. And my hair is just braided up underneath, so that's how I kind of just prep my hair. And for this hair, this is the Jerry Curly natural color 18-inch. So yeah, I'm very excited because when I saw the Jerry Curly, I was like, I feel like this texture is going to be really pretty, so I wanted to try it, something different from the other curly textures that I usually get. So this is what it's looking like. And as you guys can see, the headband is attached. It has some clips inside to keep it secure. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, so as soon as I put it on, it does definitely look like a jerry curl, but we're gonna of course get this not looking like this anymore, because this is not how I like to rock my hair. But if you do like a jerry curl look, to each his own, you can always wear it like this. I like that with these hair, this kind of hair you can do like half up half down kind of looks. But yeah, I'm gonna fluff this out and just get it big. Okay, so I'm just taking my Tangle Teaser and I'm just gonna run it through and get it nice and big, and do it with my hands as well too. I don't want to mess up too much of the curl definition. This is just a close-up of the texture so you can see. Looks like very pretty, perfect curls, but I like that kind of messiness. Just a little bit of frizziness, I mean. So see, you can easily manipulate the hair. You don't have to keep it in like the perfect curly form. You can always easily manipulate it. And like I said, with this, I could definitely see myself doing a half up half down type of look with this hair specifically, so I'm gonna do that. See, so cute. You can do a really cute half up half down, just bouncy big curls. So I'm gonna show you guys some of these different headbands. So like I said, we have this cute pink and gold, y'all, and headband wigs are such a lifesaver. Like, you see how fast I was able to just put this on and then I can go somewhere. Say your friends or hit you up real quick and they're like, oh, let's go out, and you're like, oh my god, my hair. Easily you can put on your headband wig. You can wear it half up half down, you can wear it all out. You can just do so many looks, which is one thing I just love. So this is this one, super cute. You can even put this hair into a bun if you wanted to. So yeah, here's the floral looking one. I actually want to see it in like a high puff, so like a ponytail. That's the kind of wig you can pull all the way to the top. It's fine. So you can do a bun, of course. Quick little bun to throw on. Super cute. And then I'm gonna take it off real quick and show you guys the last headband. Ooh, I really love this too. It's so pretty. Okay, and then you can also do a high pony. Make sure this is covered. You can also do a little high pony look. Super cute. You can wet this hair too if you want it like wetter, like just rock a wet look, but this is what the hair looks like fully dry, of course. But yeah, guys, and the hair is super soft. Love that. Really bouncy. So Jerry curly is good if you like that really bouncy curly kind of look. I know a lot of people like that look. Flip it over, do a little flip over kind of look. I like it flipped over actually. That's cute as well. So many different looks you can do. Headband wigs are just so fun. Like, I really love them. So guys, make sure you check out the description box below. Check out this hair. Get you some super easy, reliable hair. Like, if you have an emergency, girl, you got somewhere to go real quick and your hair is not done, don't even worry, because you know you got your headband wig. You know you can just throw it on and go. So make sure you check out the description box, get all the information on this hair. Check out Eayon wigs. They have a huge variety of different wigs on there and different headband styles as well. So if you don't like this texture, you can always see a different texture on there that you like and can try out for your hair. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.